Are you tired of restarting Power BI Desktop every time you make changes to your project files? That workflow is getting a lot smoother. With the latest updates, you can edit Power BI Project (PBIP) files directly in a code editor or external tool, then bring those changes into Power BI Desktop without restarting the application. Here's what you need to know. Edit anywhere. Apply changes instantly. Power BI Desktop can now detect changes made to PBIP files outside the application. Simply select Apply External Changes to reload your latest updates without restarting Power BI Desktop. Open your project directly in VS Code. The new Open in VS Code option launches your PBIP project as an active workspace in Visual Studio Code. This gives you quick access to your report and semantic model files for easier editing. Built for modern development workflows. These updates make PBIP projects easier to use with source control, scripts, automation, external tools, and AI-assisted development. You can modify your project files using the tools that best fit your workflow while continuing to work in Power BI Desktop. Switch between tools seamlessly. Open your PBIP project, select Open in VS Code, make and save your changes, then return to Power BI Desktop. When prompted, select Apply External Changes and continue working without restarting. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.